Noni, welcome to the Arsenal. What is your full name?
Noni Madueke.
Arsenal officially signs Noni Madueke from Chelsea, and a £52 million deal. Arsenal have officially confirmed the signing of winger Noni Madueke from Chelsea. The news was announced on the club's official website, stating that Madueke has passed his medical and signed a 5-year contract with the Gunners. The transfer fee is reported to be around £52 million, a figure that clearly shows Arsenal's big ambitions in this summer's transfer window. Madueke, 23, actually grew up not far from Arsenal's base in North London. He started out at the youth academies of Crystal Palace and later Tottenham Hotspur, where he made an early impression. However, his biggest turning point came in 2018, when he moved to the Netherlands to join PSV Eindhoven. There, Madueke quickly made a name for himself, making his first team debut at just 17 and racking up 80 official appearances, an impressive number for a young player playing abroad. His standout performances in the Dutch Eredivisie soon attracted the attention of several top European clubs. Chelsea won the race for his signature in January 2023. But after nearly 2 seasons at Stamford Bridge and 92 appearances in total, Madueke has now chosen to return to North London, where he spent his early years, to look for a fresh challenge with Arsenal. Before leaving Chelsea, Madueke shared an emotional message on social media, thanking the fans and the club for all the memories. He expressed his deep gratitude and said he would always cherish his time in a Blues shirt. Speaking to Arsenal's official website, sporting director Andrea Berta said, "We are absolutely delighted to bring Noni on board. He's quick, skillful and fearless, exactly the kind of player we love. With his international experience and ability to play across the front line, we believe Madueke will give Mikel Arteta plenty of tactical options. He's an important piece of the puzzle as we build a squad ready to compete on all fronts next season." With this signing, Noni Madueke becomes Arsenal's 5th edition of the 2025 summer transfer window, once again underlining the club's determination to invest strongly and aim for major trophies in the upcoming season. Mikel Arteta full of praise for Madueke, a perfect addition for Arsenal. Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta couldn't hide his excitement after the club secured the signing of Noni Madueke. The Spanish coach shared his thoughts with real enthusiasm. "Noni is one of the brightest young wingers in English football right now. Even at just 23, he's already gained so much experience at both club and international level. His pace, physicality in duels, and ability to make a difference in key moments make me confident he'll settle in quickly and unlock his full potential in our system," just as Arteta says. This new signing brings not only youth, but also the attacking spark Arsenal have been looking for. With the club building a high-energy, fast, and technically sharp squad to chase big targets both domestically and in Europe, Madueke's arrival is expected to add even more firepower up front. The 2002-born winger can play flexibly on either flank and is known for his tricky dribbling in tight spaces, a skill that Arteta values highly, especially in a system that relies on controlling space and pressing high. Bringing in a player with a modern playing style, who can break deadlocks when things get tough, is exactly what Arsenal need right now. On top of that, Madueke won't be a stranger in the dressing room. He's already played alongside Bukayo Saka, Emile Smith-Rowe, and Declan Rice for England's youth teams. That existing bond and chemistry should help him settle in fast and make an impact straight away. However, Arsenal fans might have to wait a few more weeks to see their new signing in action. Madueke is not expected to join the squad on their Asia tour and is set to link up with the team in early August, just as the Gunners head into their final preparations for the new season. Right now, While the final paperwork is being wrapped up, the transfer is all but done, and there's plenty of excitement from both sides. More than just adding depth, this move is strategic too. Arsenal have secured one of Chelsea's most promising young talents, taking a key piece from their city rivals and long-time foes. Clearly, this is a big move for the Gunners, and Madueke could be a crucial piece in turning Arsenal's long-held dreams of silverware into reality at the Emirates. Madueke's impressive stats and key strengths in the 2024-2025 season with Chelsea. Noni Madueke made a total of 46 appearances, scoring 11 goals and providing 5 assists. On average, he recorded an expected goals XG rate of 0.42 per 90 minutes, ranking him third among all Premier League wingers. Before that, during his time at PSV Eindhoven from 2019 to 2023, Madueke featured in 80 matches, scored 20 goals and delivered 13 assists. After moving to Chelsea, he maintained steady form, contributing 20 goals and 9 assists in 92 matches across all competitions. One of Madueke's standout strengths is his direct dribbling towards goal. He led the entire Chelsea squad last season in progressive carries. He's also a real threat in one-on-one situations. A clear example was his impressive hat-trick against Wolves in August 2024. Showing his sharp finishing and natural eye for goal when it matters most. Underscore 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 reactions from experts and fans. Madueke's move to Arsenal has surprised many. Sky Sports raised the question, could this be Arsenal preparing for the possible departure of Bukayo Saka? On social media, some Arsenal fans weren't convinced at first. A No to Madueke petition gathered over 5,000 signatures. In response to the criticism, club legend Rio Ferdinand spoke out in Madueke's defense. Fans have every right to ask questions, but personal abuse is just unacceptable. The Guardian noted that while Madueke's form dipped at Chelsea at times, his talent is clear to see. He once netted a hat-trick against Wolves, although he only added for more goals in 26 starts after that, one of the reasons he's now looking for a fresh start with Arsenal. Tactically, Madueke's style fits well with Arteta's system, which relies heavily on full-pitch pressing, quick ball circulation and exploiting tight spaces. With his close control and explosive bursts over short distances, Madueke is expected to be a dangerous option on either wing, or even drop deeper to play as a number 10 when needed. Underscore 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 underscore. His role at Arsenal next season. Arteta sees Madueke as someone who can compete with Saka on the right flank, while adding pressure for Martinelli's starting spot on the left. Thanks to his versatility and strong pressing ability, Madueke will boost Arsenal's squad depth for the Premier League, European competitions, the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup. He's the kind of player who can stretch the play out wide or cut inside and finish chances himself. He's expected to join up with the team in early August, once Arsenal wrap up their Asia tour, to get ready for the final pre-season matches. underscore 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 conclusion. Madueke isn't just a technically gifted signing. He brings huge tactical potential and fits perfectly with modern football trends. Arsenal's willingness to spend big on him shows their commitment to building a squad with speed, pressing power and the ability to change games. Of course, there'll be pressure when he arrives at the Emirates, from the media spotlight to high-fan expectations, but with his self-belief and a clear understanding of Arteta's strategy, plus familiar faces in the squad, Madueke has every chance to make his mark next season. If he lives up to his potential, he could be much more than just squad depth. He could be a key piece in Arsenal's push to finally lift silverware again.